pioneered on a tradition of value, service, innovative design, and budget-conscious solutions, Superior Landscape Management is a leader in the creation and maintenance of beautiful residential and commercial outdoor living spaces. Since 1993, the professionals at Superior Landscape Management have been delivering honest, dependable, high-quality, personalized service that makes Superior the envy of their competitors and the first choice for in-the-know clients. As a result of the passion to provide superior landscaping and property management services, Superior Landscape Management has become the preferred choice for builders, realtors, and homeowners alike. Superior Landscape Management offers full-service landscape design, installation, and maintenance, in addition to landscape lighting, custom stone patios and retaining walls, irrigation design, installation, and maintenance, highest quality trees, shrubs, and materials, new lawn installation, ranging from traditional seeding to sod installation, and now hydro seeding, complete lawn and tree care programs, commercial landscaping, water features, and outdoor cook centers. Most landscape companies can offer these services, but what sets Superior Landscape Management apart from the competition is their quality of work, personal attention to detail, and the long-term relationships that they develop with their customers.
I've dealt with Superior for basically a decade. They do everything for me. They do my landscaping, they do my tree trimming, they do my snow removal, all of my Christmas lights. In all honesty, I don't think I've called them once with a complaint in 10 years. It's the extra added touch that Superior brings that's very special.
Superior Landscape Management, what sticks in my mind is integrity. From the builder standpoint, those guys are honest. They have all the equipment. Superior Landscape Management, you get what you pay for with those guys. I'm just totally pleased with them.
At Superior Landscape Management, the service does not stop after the sale. From the time of the first meeting, the professionals at Superior Landscape Management will carefully plan the various stages of a successful landscape program to coincide with the customer's needs, time frame, and budget. After each installation, they educate the customer on the proper care, feeding, watering schedule, and all other maintenance aspects to protect the customer's investment. If you desire a better lifestyle while improving the value of your home at the same time, be sure to call the professionals at Superior Landscape Management.